if you have one of these Japanese-made JC Penny sewing machines, in order to get at the bobbin winder, because the top does not remove, to change the rubber tire. As you can see, this rubber tire is obviously not rubber anymore. You'll have to remove the plate that goes over the motor, the balance wheel, and the balance wheel comes off just like all Singer copy balance wheels do. Remove the set screw here, and there's the washer with the 3 prongs on the outside and the 2 prongs on the inside. Loosen the motor mount so you can slip the motor up to get the drive belt off. And then the bobbin winder bracket is mounted to the casting. These 2 screws here, and mounts like that. And there is a counterweight on the main shaft just behind the hand wheel that you'll have to rotate the main shaft into the right position to get the counterweight out of the way so that you can remove the bobbin winder assembly. And with it out of there, you can take the old tire off, and it takes a standard size tire, and you'll need to put a little bit of kerosene there where the oiling place would be to get it freed up, because you can see this one, I can't even turn it in my hand. It's pretty stiff. And then reassembly is just the opposite. So anyway, thank you for watching.